Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. To my returning subscribers, you are very much welcome. Thank you for always clicking the subscribe button. Thank you for always liking our videos and also commenting. And to the new subscribers, guys, you're welcome. Really happy to have you here. So on this particular video, as we all know, I'm sharing with you a how-to series. So on this particular video, I will be sharing with you how to upload a video on YouTube. So in case this is your first time of uploading a video, then do well to follow through on this step-by-step procedures, and there you will have it. Your first video will be uploaded on YouTube. So follow through, guys. Welcome back again, guys. So like I said, we're going to be learning how to upload a YouTube video. So on this particular channel, we all know that if you followed through the last video, you will see that we created a YouTube channel. So the next video now is to upload a video on our new YouTube channel. So guys, I will be using the phone as usual, so you will see how it's done on the screen. So do how to follow through. So the first step is to go to your YouTube channel. You click on the YouTube app. That's how it takes you to your YouTube channel. Then you go to the U side, the U button, where it shows you your profile, right? So as we can see, there is nothing on this channel, so you have to create a video. So you either click on that create, which shows you different options, whether you want to upload a video, a short, or live, or you click on that plus sign, right? So after clicking on the plus sign, it takes you to video. You click on the particular video you want in your gallery. Once you are done surfing for the particular video, so this is me trying to show you guys that our live option is not available yet till you get up to 50 subscribers. Then so same it is same for the post you have to be verified first, right? You can do that. Then now the purpose of this video is to create is to upload a video on our channel. So this is the video I've picked, and automatically it went in as a short, right? Automatically went in as a short. So because of the duration, I clicked on it, and I clicked on that add sound. As you can see, the add sound on the screen. So this is me showing you the list of sounds in this in this video that YouTube has recommended. Mind you, most of them are copyright music, so you have to be careful. Then this is me trying to show you that you can actually add text to your video, right? You can add text to your videos. Now this is for shorts. This is a short video, right? We see shorts everywhere like reels. So this is me, I've written farming, trying to show you that you can actually move it to your desired position. Then I deleted it because I don't need it. So we went straight to filters. You see the options there, text, filters. You pick a particular filter you want, whichever you want to use. If it's not okay for you, you can as well drop it. Then there's something called record, the voiceover. I believe we hear a lot of artists doing the voiceover on their video. That's how it's done. Then either a sticker, you choose a sticker, whichever one you want. So after that, you click on next, right, to the next stage of uploading a video. It's now time to add details. You caption your short, which is the title, whichever title you want for your video. This is where you get to put it down. After that, after putting the title, whatever title you are comfortable with, you go ahead with hashtags. Remember, this is a short, so hashtags actually help in shorts. I will show you how to upload a proper video as well, but this is a short video. So after putting in the hashtags, you can see that YouTube is recommending list of hashtags for you, so you pick the one that is desirable to you. Then we can see our visibility is public. We want everyone to see. There's unlisted, there's private, and there's schedule. Schedule now is when you get to set in the time you want your video to be uploaded. But if you're not cool with that, you go ahead and click public. Everyone can see your videos, right? Then there's location. If you want to add a location, you search your place. There's audience. If your video is made for kids, make sure you click on made for kids. If it's not, click on not made for kids. Then relatable video. you can relate a video to your shorts that will direct everyone back to that main video you want them to see. But for this new channel, we have to build our channel history first. So this is me trying to add promotion label, which is no. Do we want short remixing? You allow video and audio remixing. Altered content always on a no, right? Then our comment section should be on, and our comment moderation on a basic. You scroll up and down to be sure that you are on the right track and you've checked it all and everything is right. Then you go ahead. This is me trying to pick a thumbnail that everyone will see once they get to see my shot. So you pick the one that looks a bit catchy, that everyone can see and would want to watch or look into it further. Then you go ahead and click on upload shots. So there, that's it. Your shot is being uploaded. It's showing the percentage of the upload. Once it's done, you will see that it has been, after uploading, it shows processing. After processing, your video has been fully uploaded and it is ready to watch. That's it, guys. So after that, we're not done. You see the three dots by the side. You click on it and it brings out this for you. Then you click on edit. Now the edit wants to add our description. You tell them what that video is all about. This and these things, you get to do it to the main videos as well, like to the longer version videos. This is a short, bear in mind. So you add your description, whatever description, you tell them what that video is all about. Then you add hashtags. Remember, in my previous videos I said description is where you pour it all in. Get to tell your viewers what they are to expect in this video. So after that, you go ahead and look for what you need to add up. Add to playlist. You don't have a playlist yet. We do not have a playlist in this channel, in this particular channel yet. So I will be teaching you on how to create a playlist. Then you go ahead to put in your tags. Now the tags helps viewers. Like if a viewer can just come to YouTube and say and type in farming, can type in agriculture, and your videos can just pop up. So that's what tags are for. Then you check again, is there anything that is missing? If there is nothing else, you go ahead and click on save, right? Your video will be saved and updated, and that is it, guys. Your video is ready to be watched by the public. So that is the shorts. That's why it's of this capacity. It's filling the screen, right? Then that's the comments. You can like your video, you can share your video, you copy the link, share to friends and families. Then you can see your analytics, right? Your analytics is already showing you 1 likes. Your short is finding its audience. Check back later for more information. So guys, that is it. It's not a hard thing to do. Trust me. Just as long as you're following every step that is expected of you, then you're good to go. So your short has been uploaded. Now we have a video on this new channel that we created just yesterday. It's really an easy thing to do. It's not hard, it's not difficult. Just do all to follow through. And if you're confused in anything, I am here to always answer and make it easy for you in your YouTube journey. So guys, do well to like our videos, share as well, drop a comment, tell me what you think about it, as well as your lessons learned. I will be seeing you in my next video, where I will be teaching you how to actually upload a video, a long-term video. For we just uploaded a short in this video, and so most people might find it difficult in uploading a proper video, a long-term video, because of the difference in the details. It's not necessarily different, but you will see a difference in it. So guys, just follow through. That will be in the next video, how to upload a long video on your YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye for now, guys.